Hi, Polycoin traders. Today, levels can decide profit or loss. Watch this full video before you take up any decision. In this video, I will share Polycoin important support and resistance levels in different time frames. Also, along with safe bullish and bearish scenarios, watch till the end for more important levels. First, let's quickly check Bitcoin because altcoin follows Bitcoin. So let us go to the chart. So you can see that I'm in the BTC chart, and you can see already the candles have started moving in a upward direction, and I've drawn the support resistance trend lines. You can see that within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. So if you go to the weekly chart, you can see previously the candles were falling continuously, and after this you can see the breakout happened, and then candles have started moving in a upward direction. So it looks like the candles may move to this resistance level and then fall may take place. So it may go to this resistance level, which is around 130k, and then from there the fall may take place. Okay, so this is that happening now. Uptrend is going on. Previously the downtrend was going on, and now the bulls are active and it is pushing the price to go up. Okay, so this is about this BTC coin. Now we'll go to this chart of Polygon. So we'll move to that. So you can see that I'm in this monthly chart of Polygon coin or Polygon coin, and let us draw the trend lines, and I'll talk about all these time frames. So first we'll start with the monthly chart. So who are trying to find some opportunity in monthly chart, they can find in this, and then I'll move to different time frames, and there we'll also find out opportunities. So you can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let us draw the trend line. You can see this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the candles are moving, and you can see the candles were moving in this channel pattern. So first it went to the resistance level, then fall happened, again it went up, fall, again you can see candles have gone up. Now the fall is taking place. So if you draw the trend line, you can see that previously the candles were moving in a upward direction, and now you can see candles are falling in this channel pattern. So this is the support resistance trend line. So continuously the fall may take place. So you can see the downtrend may continue like this, and if there is a breakout happens, then candles may start moving in a upward direction. Okay, so this is the resistance. If you go to the weekly chart, you can see I'm talking about the weekly chart now, and you can see that continuously the candles are falling, and you can see that after the fall the candles have given a breakout, and candles went to the resistance level. So this is the resistance level it has gone. I'm drawing the support resistance trend line for this, and almost the candles have gone to the resistance level. If the breakout happens from here, then candles may move in a upward direction. Okay, so it may move in a upward direction if the breakout happens. If the breakout doesn't happen, then candles may come down to support here, and then again it may go up, again the fall, again it may go up. So like this it may move. Okay, so you can see that if the breakout happens from in upward direction, then it may move in a upward direction. Okay, so if you go to daily chart, okay, so you can see in daily chart there is a breakout happened. You can see, so candles may start falling continuously, and one more candle, and that will be a confirmation, and candles will start falling in a downward side. So if you draw the trend line, okay, in 4-hour chart we'll draw the trend line. You can see this is support and this is the resistance, and continuously the candles are falling in this channel pattern. Okay, and you can see that the candles may fall in this channel pattern, triangular channel pattern. So the fall will take place, and after the breakout it may move to the resistance level, and then from here the fall may take place. So like this the candles may move in this channel pattern. Okay, and it may fall like this. If there is a breakout happens from here, it may start moving in a upward direction. So until then the candles may fall in this channel pattern. Okay, so you can see that, and after the breakout it may start moving in a upward direction. Okay, so if you go to the weekly chart, you can see if there is a breakout happens, then candles may move to this resistance level, which is around 0.67011. So it may move to the resistance level, and then fall may take place. So currently you can see already the downtrend has started. In daily chart also you can see in 4-hour chart also you can see that candles are falling, and after this candles went to the resistance level, then fall happened, again it went up, fall, again went up, now fall is happening. After the breakout it may move to the resistance level. Okay, in 1-hour chart also you can see very clearly how this candles are moving. Previously the candles started falling, and after the breakout it went up, again the fall started. Okay, after the breakout again it went up, and now the fall is taking place. So this is in 1-hour chart, and after the breakout you can see a rally towards this resistance level. So you can see I've discussed all this time frames, and whichever time frame you are in, you can find that opportunities, and you can see that very clearly by drawing trend lines. You can see the opportunities, you know where to enter and where to exit, so that also you can find out. And if you go to the weekly chart, you can see that candles are falling in this channel pattern. If there is a breakout happens, then candles may move to this resistance level, which is around 0.67529, and then fall may take place. Okay, so you can see, and this is the major resistance here, and this is the major support. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving, you can see that very clearly. Okay, and by drawing trend lines, you know the support resistance levels, as well as you know where the candles are moving. And you can see that since the candles were moving in upward direction as per the weekly chart, before this the fall was happening, and then after breakout it went up. RSI is also confirming that it is moving in upward direction, and as per the daily chart also you can see already the breakout has happened, so candles are falling, and RSI is also confirming that fall is happening. And after the breakout here the candles may move up, and RSI will also move in a upward direction. Okay, so you can see that. Now we'll talk about other details about this cryptocurrency. So you can see the current price is around $0.1441. It is down by 1.63% in 24 hours, and it is gone down, and rank is around 50. Around 168k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $1.52 billion, and the volume in 24 hours is $71.81 billion. It is down by 26%, and the total supply is 10.56 billion full coins, and the holders for this coin is around 129.44k holders for this cryptocurrency. Circulating supply is 10.56 billion full coins. So now we'll go to the chart. So you can see that candles are falling in this downtrend channel pattern. Never ever enter a trade without stop loss. Capital protection is more important than profit, so it is very important. So always have a stop loss, and I'll explain one so that you can see how the candles are moving and where to have a stop loss. Suppose you can see the candles were falling in this downtrend channel pattern. Okay, support resistance trend line. After the breakout you can see candles went up. Suppose if you see the breakout here, if you enter some other this place, then you should have a stop loss like you can see you can have a stop loss like in this near to the support level or little below the support level. And once the candle goes up, you can see a profit. If it reverses, you should exit trade to prevent any major losses. That is very, very important. And also you can see that after this like candles went up to the resistance level, you can see that candles were moving in this channel pattern. So previously the candles were reacting to this resistance level, so they're pushing the price to come down. Okay, so after the candles went up, fall happened, again went up, again the candles have come down support, again it went up, fall, again the candles have gone up, then after continuously the fall was taking place. Okay, so you can see that by drawing trend lines, you know where the candles will be moving next, and in case if it is not going as per your analysis, always have a stop loss to prevent any major losses. Okay, so that is important. So you have to always manage this to make good profit from this market. Okay, so if you go to the monthly chart also, you can see that candles are moving in this downtrend channel pattern. Previously also you can see candles went to the resistance level, fall, again went up, fall, and then it was moving little sideways, and then breakout happened. Now candles are falling continuously in this downtrend channel pattern. Okay, so now click the video on screen where I explain the next important crypto setup and details. Don't miss it. So that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. This video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you.